Hello everyone, welcome to BlazeFunnel. In this quick video, I'm going to show you around the software and how the best to use it to get the maximum results possible with BlazeFunnel. So right after you log in, you're going to see this dashboard. It's going to give you statistics about your entire business, like how many campaigns you have, how many money pages, how many leads you got in the last 30 days, and so on. So you have a complete overview of your entire business just by looking at this dashboard, and then you can go ahead and start creating campaigns. So you can either start a new campaign from scratch, or you can jump to a specific part of the software. So let's start by creating a new campaign, and let's name this one test campaign, hit submit, and now let's create our money page. So you can choose from any of these templates, okay, and you can filter through by the niche. For this example, I'm just gonna use any one as just testing, okay, but we have like 5 different niches, and inside every niche you can choose a specific page to edit. And as you can see, this is a page. I can edit anything. I can change the color. I can make this bold, maybe italic, add link if you want. Okay, welcome to this page. Okay, you can change anything around in this page. Okay, so right now your subscribers, if you get any subscriber from this page, it will be added to our lead system. This is important to mention that we don't have access to your leads. It's specifically designed for you to access, not us. So your lead is kept safe with us, but you can change this by clicking right here, okay, and connect to your favorite autoresponder. So you have 2 options. You can either use API to change this, maybe connect to GetResponse, Aweber, and so on. But if you are using a different, let me get rid of this. But if you are using a different autoresponder than the ones we have right here, so for example, right here, you just need to enter your API key, and it will get the list. Choose the one, and it will already add any lead you have to your GetResponse. But if you use a different autoresponders that are not listed in this, I got you covered. I'm going to show you how you can do this. So anyway, let's say I'm satisfied with this page. I'm going to click next. This is a thank you page. Okay, you can click here, change this option. Okay, the link, you can add here your affiliate link, your maybe freebie link, whatever you want to get traffic to after they subscribe. You can add it right here. And of course, you can change everything as the squeeze page. Click next, and we have this setting page for this funnel. Okay, so you can name it anything. So main funnel. Then we need the title for the squeeze page. So the title is the one is right here. So for in this case, it's called create money pages. So I'm gonna name it how to make money fast. Okay, and if you are running any retargeting, if you're running Google Analytics or any of this stuff, if you need to insert any JavaScript code, you can add it in this section for the squeeze page. So you can scale up your campaign with paid traffic, for example. You can do this right here. And then we have the setting for the thank you page, the same. So I'm gonna say thank you, okay, how to make money fast. You can also add a code in this page as well. And now if you have a different autoresponder that are not listed in the one we have, you can get the form code. So let's say you're using MailChimp, and you can get their codes, their subscription code, add it right here, and we're gonna replace it with our code. So now you integrated MailChimp with your funnel. Okay, now another option you can do is you can get rid of the thank you page and redirect the user immediately to your offer. So for example, if you get traffic to your squeeze page, after they subscribe, you can redirect them immediately to a Warrior Plus affiliate link, to ClickBank affiliate link, or whatever you want. All you have to do is just click this button right here and enter a link. In this case, I'm gonna just enter google.com. So now anyone that subscribes through my funnel gonna get redirected to Google after they subscribe. Eventually, of course, you want to add your affiliate link and so on. Also, you can integrate any offer from ClickBank. So you can search, for example, weight loss. What you need to enter here is use your CBID, which is ClickBank ID. So in this case, I'm going to enter mine. Okay, let's search. Okay, here is the offer that we can choose from. Okay, so let's say, and I'm gonna use this one. Okay, of course you can see the stats, how many the percentage you're gonna earn, how many the average per sale, the gravity, momentum, and so on. So let's say I'm gonna use this one. You can either click here and copy the link, as you can see, or you can just click this and it will automatically populate it inside your thank you page. So the download link, the download button gonna be already linking to this one, and that's it. You already created a funnel and link it to your ClickBank offer. After that, click create money page, okay, and you are done. You can click here and view it. As you can see, you can click here to copy the link. You can get the URL right here, the squeeze page, thank you page, okay. You can see the traffic, how many visitors you got, how many subscribers you got, and your opt-in rate. We keep track of all of that for you. You can of course delete it, and you can edit anything. So for example, you can edit the JavaScript code, you can change the affiliate link, and so on, okay. And also you can share it, okay. As you can see, this is called instant traffic. You can share it to all of the social media with just one click, okay. You can click on anyone and syndicate it to your account on all of these different social medias and get immediate traffic. Okay, now we have our funnel created. After that, you need to start getting traffic. Okay, so to getting traffic, this is very easy with BlazeFunnel. All you need to do is go to the traffic tab, go to setup, okay. And I apologize if it's a little bit slow. My internet is slow today, so it's gonna take a couple of seconds to load, but basically you need to do this setup just once, okay. So you need to enter this accounts, just for accounts, okay, just one time, and you never have to do this again. So now every time you create a new funnel, or every time you need a new surge of traffic, our system will automatically syndicate your link, okay, any link, to everywhere inside this social media network. We have tons and tons and tons of other social media networks that doesn't require even your account. We do this automatically for you. We also build tons of backlinks from 2-tier to rank your website or funnel inside of Google, okay. So you need to do this just once, then you can go to the automate excuse me, automated traffic, okay, and you can enter anything to promote right now. So for example, let's say this is how I lost 10 pounds. Hey guys, this ebook explain how you can lose 10 pounds in 2 days, okay. You can enter the link you want to promote right here, your affiliate offer, your e-commerce store, or whatever you want to promote, and you can enter any tags. If it's applicable to you, you can enter any tags right here, and you can schedule it. So if it said no and I click add now or add post, it will be immediately syndicated. Or you can click here yes and choose when you want to it posted, okay. And I choose no, add post, okay. And as you can see, it's in progress. Tier 2 is in progress. This is the backlinks, and then we bring everything to make sure you get the maximum benefit from this, okay. Next, we get traffic on demand, okay. And in this one, this is very straightforward. It's not as automated as automation traffic, but basically what you can do is just enter the link and it will immediately share it to all of this social media traffic. So for example, I can enter here yes google.com again for testing, and that's it. Click any on any of the social network and you will share it there as well, okay. Now after you have your funnel created, your money page created, your offer selected, and now you have traffic, it's time to keep track of everything. So if you choose to keep your leads with us, not an autoresponder, you can go to here to my leads, select the campaign you are running, and you will see all of your emails right here. As you can see, you can choose the campaign and which funnel you want to see the leads for, and it will display all of the leads, and you can export them to an Excel file, okay. Also, we have another search engine for offers. So basically you can do this inside the funnel, or you can come here to the hot offers, where we search for the highest converting offers from Warrior Plus, ClickBank, and CPA network. So you have 3 places where you can get traffic from: CPA offers, ClickBank, Warrior Plus. Basically choose anyone You can choose to enter a keyword and it will display the highest converting offers that you can promote. Okay, so that's it for this video. Let me know if you have any question and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay, also before I forgot, this little button right here, in any page, if you click right here, it will show you a video. Of course, right now it says placeholder, but eventually in any page you can click it and you will see explanation of how to use this page specifically, so you never wander around the software and you get the maximum benefit. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.